안녕하세요. 우리는 마크와 제임스입니다. 오늘의 먹방은 중요리를 먹을 거예요.
Hey everyone, James and Mark here with another mukbang. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also make sure you click on that bell down below so you don't miss out on any notifications. Mark just introduced this video. We were gonna have black bean noodles or jjajangmyeon, and then we also have sweet and sour pork. And then these are really large mandu. So yaki mandu, does yaki mean big, or I'm guessing?
I think yaki means fried.
Oh, fried. So these are like giant. I don't know if you guys can really see, but I'll lift one up. They're pretty huge. We got our kimchi,
Yeah.
and everything. So
Let's start.
yeah, we can start. So normally when we go out and eat jjajangmyeon, we usually get one order and split it in two. But for you guys, we each got one order each. So I don't know if we're gonna get through this or not. Oh,
I feel like this is gonna
preventative.
be a little messy, so I'm gonna have my bib on. I don't know. So we have the bowl up higher,
Yeah.
so it's like lift and shove in face.
We haven't had jjajangmyeon in like probably months now. Ooh, it's delicious.
I want to say maybe the last time was when we had it for mukbang, like over a year ago.
I don't think so. We
No.
ate one time at this restaurant.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So this restaurant took over like this pot pie,
Chicken pot pie.
chicken
place.
pot pie place, and now it's like a Korean Chinese
Yeah.
joint. It's really good. So someone that's never eaten this, how would you describe it?
Well, it's hard for me to describe it because I grew up eating this, so it's a familiar flavor profile for me.
Yeah.
So how would you describe it? Because you're relatively newer later in life that you start eating this.
So the noodles remind me of like very thick spaghetti noodles. And then the sauce itself, even though it says black bean, like it's not the same black bean as what you would get like at Chipotle, right? It's not that black bean, or is it? You know how you can order pinto or black beans? I don't think it's the same,
I
is it?
think it is.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay, well, it has like, it's not super salty, but it's not sweet either. It's just a very like hint of, I don't know, black bean.
It doesn't taste black beany though.
Yeah, I mean, there's onions in it, which that's what I taste too. And then there's chopped up pieces of pork in here as well, so. I remember the first time I had it though, I didn't like it that much.
Really?
Because I just didn't know what I was eating. But now it's just so delicious.
Let's eat some of the sweet and sour pork. Get some with the sauce on. So, American style Chinese sweet and sour pork, the sauce is always red. But Korean style Chinese sweet and sour pork is always like kind of like this translucent and white color.
It's still slightly crunchy.
So,
Not too sweet, not too sour, just right.
yeah. So this is kind of like the go-to menu items for people who order this kind of food. There's always jjajangmyeon or jampong, which we never had before.
And jampong is the spicy
The
seafood.
yeah. And then 탕수육, which is the sweet and sour pork.
When we did this video last time, we got fried shrimp, which is also something we've always eaten together.
That's my favorite. Just reach over and get the kimchi.
And the kimchi is different than probably Korean style kimchi, right?
Yeah.
It's a little different. I don't know. I think maybe this past weekend we've been eating a lot of fried. I mean, we're still kind of eating fried, so I don't want to say we're completely devoid of it, but this kimchi is like much needed, I feel like, right now.
Yeah. Last night we had fried chicken sandwich.
With French fries.
And fried chicken oysters.
This is just fun to pull. But my hand is already sore. These noodles are like, you know, they're pretty weighty. Where did we go recently where they brought out food and there was like forks stabbed into the food? Was that on Friday? And you said that's like, is that bad luck or rude? To serve it
You
that
do
way?
that when you're like someone in your family or your ancestors, like you want to give them food, you stick the chopstick or spoon like in the food like that. So growing up, like my brother, he would eat his food super slow, and one time he just stuck his spoon or whatever he was using in his rice bowl like this, and then let it go, and then like doing his homework or whatever he was doing, right? My mom got so mad because it's like, well, what are you trying to say? You want me to die?
Oh my goodness. And so that's, like, did you know about that before that incident, or that incident is what taught you guys, like, oh, you shouldn't do that?
That probably, like, got that ingrained in my head.
Yeah.
Ingrained in my head.
Ingrained. But ingrained works too, because it's stuck.
It's stuck in my brain.
That's funny.
So James asked me to do the thing in Korean, the intro in Korean.
Yeah. Kind of jazz it up a little bit. How'd you think you did?
I was really rusty. I haven't had to speak Korean for like over 10 years. So my tongue's still kind of inflexible.
It's flexible. Seriously though, my hand, oh, I shouldn't do that. Seriously, my hands are like really sore.
Do you want tongs?
That would be different though if I ate with tongs.
Why don't you want to jazz it up? Make me speak in Korean. Oh, are we doing the yakimandu?
Yeah, I'm going for it.
I made some dipping sauce.
What's in the dipping sauce?
Soy sauce, vinegar, and then I added some
Looks like chili
chili
powder or something.
Yeah.
And then these are just stuffed with, is it pork?
Probably. I mean, these look like pillows. You could like sleep on them and get like oily face and pimples the next day.
So all of this came out to $42. And I want to say in the past, we usually eat this on a Sunday, if we eat it, or on the weekend.
Yeah.
How's it?
Take your bite.
Oh.
I'm gonna reach over and grab some white kimchi. Thank you.
So the lady seemed very proud of their yaki mandu here.
Yeah, she's like, we're known for our yakimandu.
And we had only gone to this restaurant, I think once before this.
Yeah, and she
And
said,
Mark remembered that she said the same exact thing.
yeah.
This spindrift tastes really good with all this food too. Gosh, would you consider jjajangmyeon like a comfort food?
Oh yeah, for sure. It's probably like the most like delivered food item in Korea, probably. Kind of like how pizza is, you know, I can say that about here in the United States.
Jjajangmyeon is for Korea.
Yeah.
Did you ever order any when you were in Korea?
Yeah, at the dorms that I stayed in at the university, all the time, and they would come on like a little motorcycle moped, and then they'll call you. You come, pick it up, and then when you're done, you just leave the empty dishes outside.
Oh, kind of like room service, but anywhere.
Yeah,
And then who picks it up?
They do. They eventually come back and pick up all the dishes.
So they kind of have to have some system where they know where they dropped it off to go back. Oh, interesting.
Like if you're craving like something carby, I think these noodles are really like that. It satiates me, right?
It's like, yeah, very carb overload. I think I want to take a nap after this.
Right.
Just watching you from the side angle, and you're like, your tongue each time like pulled the noodle in a little bit more. All this natural light hitting the side of my face now. Oh.
Yeah, we like to keep the blinds closed when filming, but Heidi likes to look out the window, so we just.
Well, he likes to look at it generally, but
And
he
they has
especially likes to look at it when we're filming. Huh, Heidi? Like, I feel like I've been eating this entire time, and look at how much I still have left, guys. It's a lot still. Oops.
Next time we'll
Dropped the
order.
noodle.
Next time we'll order one and split it. We only live once.
Crab legs for dinner.
We only live once.
Speaking of carb overload, there's been times when we'll eat most of the noodles, and then at the restaurant they give you white rice, so we just dump more white rice to
Eat with
soak
the
up
sauce.
all of the soak,
sauce.
not soap, soak up all the sauce.
Yeah.
I said at least eat 2 of these.
I'm getting full.
Want more white kimchi? Do you prefer the, what's this called? Yangkun? Yangkun?
Tang?
Tangsu? Suyuk.
Tangsu.
Tangsuyuk or Kampo Sewu which is the fried shrimp, right?
Kampong seo.
So which one do you prefer?
Kampong seo. That's my all-time favorite. How about you?
I do prefer the shrimp.
I thought I could finish this, but I don't know anymore.
Oh, you seem like you're at capacity.
It's tight.
It's rare for us to even bring leftovers home from when we go out to eat, because it's just like the mentality we have is just eat it all or eat it all. There's no other alternative.
Yeah. If we were smarter, we would take leftovers home.
Yeah.
But for some reason, we're not those type of people.
Oh, there's also is this zucchini or squash, or what's the vegetable in this? The green.
It looks like zucchini.
I feel like sometimes I've seen it like they cut them in thin strips, and that's what they garnish the very top. So there's a little green.
Cucumber.
Is cucumber?
Yeah.
Because even though this is delicious, I don't think it's very visually appetizing looking.
No, because it's black or brown.
It's just all one color. What?
Are you slowing down?
I think I have. Oh, I didn't even finish these. Yeah, these mandus are like just something else. There's like gigantor. This does seem like the most food we've had left over filming a mukbang, though. Oh my god. So, why are you trying to be like some like Jjajangmyeon artist or something? Like, I feel like you're trying to get points for technique.
Yeah.
You don't have to do it again.
Actually, I'm almost done. I just have a lot of the
Sauce?
the sauce with the vegetables.
I think I'm gonna save mine for later, even if it won't taste as good. I'll just pick at it. Probably be my last piece of pork. I'm gonna get it glistening. So next week will be our 2-year anniversary of being on YouTube. So we kind of just started throwing out some ideas on what we might want to do for that video. Last year, if you guys remember, we got like house special lobster, ate the whole tray, and had a headache for a day. So, I don't know what we're gonna do this year. And then Mark also bought a cake for that one too. Can't believe it's been a year already.
How should we celebrate?
I don't know. Maybe we'll make that the pinned comment for this video. What do you guys think what we should do for our 2-year anniversary on YouTube?
What if everyone says, eat nothing, eat oxygen? No.
No, they wouldn't do that to us.
This O2 is cooked very well.
You're delirious.
Is there alcohol in here?
Oh.
Oh. Oh, I feel like I have a watermelon in here.
Oh, we need it.
I'm sweet.
Sounds sweet.
Thank you.
There's scratch marks here too. We hope you guys all enjoyed this mukbang. If you guys did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed. We are very close to 10K and we really need all your help to get there.
We're on the road to 10K.
Yes. Is that your campaign slogan?
Road to 10K.
Well, yes, please help us get to 10K. Send this video to your family, your friends, your coworker, your mailman, anyone. And we'll see you guys for our next mukbang. Bye!
이해합니까?
네.
빨리 먹자.
Let's eat.
Why are you grunting like an animal? Oh, oh.